I found things which I like and things which I didn't like. I'm gonna try to be honest for you to have a real opinion of someone who I have experience opening and managing bots. I know how this works, but maybe a lot of people which buys a bot or something like that has no idea about trading. That's the most probably to happen. And I found out, for example, that if you know about trading and you have experience or someone coaches you on, for example, some stuff like if you see a daily or 4-hour market direction, I mean, if it goes bear or bullish, it's much more easier to set up the bot to for example, to make more bullish operations instead of bearish. Or I know many other things. For example, sometimes I saw profit and I closed it manually because usually that were liquidation candle. So that type of things, which I think would be much better if you give, for example, I know a free course explaining trading facts. And the guide was okay, the tutorial. I didn't like, for example, the English is not very clear. I'm not saying that I am the best English speaker in the world, but still, I found out that sometimes it gets like very low, you know. Sorry if the guy who made the tutorial is watching this, but honestly, I didn't like that part. It's very well explained for people who has no idea on how to install a bot. I did have, because I tried out bots, but for a person who has no idea about trading, the information is very good. Maybe it's like a lot of slow tutorials and get boring and a lot of text. And I know you have to explain things for almost people who has no idea at all, but it's quite annoying. And the pop-up also, every 1 hour, 2 hours, you see the pop-up about discount and buy my bot. I think it was too much. It's annoying because I was with the settings screen open, trying different configurations and assets, and it was really annoying. Other things I don't like. Well, it's common about this type of bots, which are not 100% automatic. I mean, this is like you need to be there and do a lot of work, like changing configurations. And the last thing I didn't like is with crypto. I know that crypto at this time is crypto now is trading around $21,000, and there is a lot of volatility and liquidations going on. I mean, the bot that trades Bitcoin is the best, I think. So I understand that thing, but for a person who has no experience, the crypto part, I didn't like it. It started suddenly opening long and short at the same time on Ethereum. I tried the recommended settings, and then I started trying my own. But that was what I was telling you. For example, I saw that the market was changing from bearish to bullish, so I went to the setup and increased the bullish trades. I have many things more to say. Yes, with Forex worked fantastically well. Very interesting, honestly. I found out that, this was last night. I think it works better with some assets than others, or it depends on the market condition. That's why I think that a little coaching video, for most people who buy bots have no idea about trading. And if you can teach them how to do this type of things, I think it would be better I know you can explain how to put on a moving average. And when the price goes up, the moving average at the 4 candle or 1 day candle, you're on a bullish trend, and it's more likely to increase the bullish operations than bearish, and many other things like that. But with Forex, it worked really good. I mean, I would like to try it for a month, of course, but this is not a high frequency bot, so I think it's good, it's interesting, but it's not good for crypto, at least in my experience. I didn't have a good experience. I didn't try it with stocks, but I tried with Forex, and anyone who buys a bot wants to make money. So you can lower the leverage or increase. That goes on your own. You can explain that also in the tutorial for people who have no idea. What else? I think this has huge potential when you are used to manage it very well. The first day I was kind of lost. I didn't understand the settings. I like a lot that you can set up so many settings from the Galileo bot. You can change a lot of things. You can increase bear or bullish trend. So that was very interesting. But I found many mistakes with crypto. Many, opening long and short at the same time with the configuration set it up in your website. I don't know if it's it's a very special time for crypto, but I I know I didn't like it very much, honestly, on crypto. In Forex, again, it was very good. This is the best day, by the way. I think that 2 days ago, I don't know if you can see the trading history, but I traded. It opened me two longs on USD Swiss franc and one short. So I forced to trade in demo because I think I might have a technique, but I think it has a lot of potential. And anyway, please just let me know any concern, any doubt. I have no problem. Just